How to fix Days Gone not launching or loading on PC. 1. Install the latest graphics driver updates using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. End resource-hungry background apps. 3. Make sure your game is up to date. 4. Open Days Gone in its windowed mode. To do so, input windowed no border into the launch options section. 5. Disable all overlay related settings and /or apps. 6. Verify the integrity of the game files. And for Epic Games Launcher users, refer to the IMG below. 7. Rename the movies folder at /program files, x86, /steam /steam apps /common /days gone /vent game /content.